How to fix WhatsApp call sound on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp call sound on Android phone. First go to settings and then go to apps here and click apps again, and now just here just type WhatsApp and you will find it, and then click on it, and now click here storage and then click clear cache and go to permissions, and now just here we'll find phone, microphone and camera. Now just and storage, in allow all of those here, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and then go to data usage and enable background data, allow it background data, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to WhatsApp and then go to settings here. Now just go to storage and data, and here we'll find this one. You will find it like that. All you need to do, useless data, enable it, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.